My name is Aditya, and in this video we're going to talk about the top features of the HP Pavilion X360 convertible laptop. This laptop can also be used in the tablet format because it supports touchscreen for the display, it runs on Windows 10 operating system, and it's got Intel Core processors under the hood. So let's get started with the top features of this laptop. So in terms of design, you can clearly see that the ultrabook nature of this laptop is quite evident. It's got this premium elegant design, the silver tone finish, it's got this metallic body with a tone of plastic as well. But yes, I mean there are all the basic ingredients that you're looking for in an ultrabook. It doesn't have an optical drive, which makes sure that you get more connectivity ports here, and you can use all those USB drives and HDMI ports, so on and so forth, for different kind of options. In terms of the screen now, it supports a 14-inch Full HD display, and it's got this IPS LCD display. So primarily what it does is that it gives you good sharp contrast colors, and everything looks quite nice on this, and it's got a pleasant experience, quite nice to the eyes, and it's got this pleasant experience overall. It's powered by Intel Core i3 processor with 8 GB of RAM, and you get 512 GB SSD. Now SSDs are something which enhances the overall performance of the device, and it offers quick boot up time as well. So let's say if you just turn on the button, and you'll see that the screen just lights up and everything is up and running in very quick time, and that's basically thanks to the SSD which is running under the hood of this laptop. Now in terms of HD camera, you've got this HD camera right on the front. You see a lot of people nowadays engaging in video calls and video meetings from their home, and even work from home system means that you're relying on a system like this, and the HD camera will make sure that you can do all those Zoom calls or Google calls, all them through this HD cam without any issues. The other features that we can talk about is that it's got this fingerprint sensor which is there to support biometric locking of the device. So now let's say if you're not around and you want to lock the screen so that nobody else is able to use, and you don't want them to even know your password, what you can just do is you can sign in with your fingerprint ID, and you can close the laptop so that nobody else can do, even if they know the password of this laptop. Talking about other features, it's got this B&O speaker over here. So now B&O is Bang & Olufsen. It's one of the very well known audio technology brand, and they are the ones who are powering the speakers on this laptop. Being a premium ultrabook laptop means that you get features which are much more feature rich, and it's one of the things that you get with the X360 Pavilion. Now the most important and the highlighting part for me is this 360 hinge that you get. Now what it does is that in this process you can convert this laptop screen into a tablet, and because it supports touch screen, you can do all these features using just your hand. You don't really need to use the keyboard. Just in case if you want to use the keyboard, then you just flip it back around like this, and then you can use the built-in keyboard to do all those functionalities that you do with a traditional laptop. So if you're in the market for a premium ultrabook and you don't really want to spend a lot of money, I think this X360 base variant of from Pavilion series from HP is a good starter point, and it gives you good experience. It gets you into this ecosystem where you don't really need to rely on traditional CDs, and you've got a decent battery backup. It's running on Windows 10. You've got other features like this fingerprint sensor, B&O speakers. Just enhances the overall experience and gives you the quality that you're looking for in the premium bracket. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.